Today we're playing as Roger with trinkets as pink bow and magnifying glass. So today we're gonna tackle this as day one for grinding for my first main Astro. Toot, 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 toot. Well, yeah, I have 50 research on Tursit Astro. I need 50 more. So yeah, let's try to get that. And we finished Vintage Roger. We finished Roger's Mastery. Now we have Vintage Roger as our first skin. Well, yeah, so all we need first we're gonna do is to get research. First we're gonna do is get research, and then when we're done with research, we're gonna get the iCore. Let's see what do we need for Castle. Oh, we only need research and money. He costs 5,000 with abilities. This tune can create a pulse that fully restores stamina of the tune around him has a cooldown of 60. Okay, and then the name is Nap Time, and then ability 2 is a passive, of course, because Mains has two abilities. Well rested. This tune generates stamina 50 times faster and can see tunes that are below 50% stamina around the map. So yeah, we're gonna try to get Astro. Let's hope we can encounter Astro for today. Well, yeah, and next I'm planning to get is gonna be Sprout, because I have 51 research, but I still need mastery quest on Cosmo. But Shelly, I'm kinda not done because I still have 9 research and 19 research on Pebble and 21 research on V. Well, yeah, let's try to get Astro now. Let's go to matchmaking and hope we can get a good team. I hope we can get a good team so we can get like to a high floor and get Astro. Like I will be super happy if we can get Astro on floor 5. Like I would be so grateful. Well, this is kind of not good. Well, we can work with this. Well, a lot of people has remote, but this is a good team. We can work with this. Oh, the blot is distracting. And there are two people with B-motes. Yeah, this is kind of a good team, but we're just losing 2 members, but it would be fine. We would be okay with that. It would be okay. Let's get ready so we can get started. Let's hope we can get Astro. Oh, someone is getting Shelly today. Well, yeah, I'm trying to get Astro. Oh, I remember when it's why you bring it to me? Like you have to get like to floor 6 just to get this floor. I remember that, and I was literally now we just can get it on floor 1. Like bro. Oh, there's 2 machines here. Let's try to do this quick. There's another machine here, Finn. You can do that. Okay, Finn. Let's try to do this floor quickly so we can get to a high floor more easy. Well, someone wants to extract. I'm sorry. I can't really let you extract because I'm trying to get a show. Well, yeah, I already said that I need the research first, but I guess I guess I should get the research first. Oh, the Shelly left. Well, I guess I'll leave right now so I can get a better team. Get a more better team than this team. Well, bye y'all. I'm sorry to say that because this team is not really that good. I'm just gonna get up. I'm gonna look for another team that is kind of good. Well, yeah. Well, yeah. Let's try to get a good team. And by the way, guys, we have 2 puppies. Those are my pets. 2 puppies. They are color brown and color white. Their names are Brownie and Whitey. Well, yeah. Let's try to get another run. Let's hope this is a good run. Well, yeah, because I really want this to be good and so we can get to like a high floor because every time we get to floor 13, I die, like literally. Let's hope we can get to floor 13 now, right now. Damn this world. I'm missing all the accounts where I had Shelly. I had my first name, her name was Shelly. And now I'm gonna get my first name who is Astro, but I'm not gonna get it today because I'm still gonna get it in a long time. Oh, this is kind of a good team. In our last team, we had like a Cosmo, we had a Beemot, we had a Hoodlight. But yeah, blah, 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 I can't speak right now. Wait, why is Flutter using that? Bassi, oh, the Bassi left. That's not Bassi because the Bassi is not even in our team. Well, yeah. Let's try to get to floor 5. I'm trying to get us through. Let's hope we can get us through on an early floor. I would really love that. No, don't bring it to me. Why y'all bringing Twisted to me? Oh God. Get this girl out to me. I'm lagging. Let me just take these. Oh my God, this team is literally bad, so bad. Oh my God, that Gigi just stole my machine. Now I'm left with no machines. Blot research. I'm still not finished on blot research. Let's try to get blot. Oh no, I got hit. Accidentally got hit. I'm gonna leave this team because I can't really explain it, but I just don't like it, okay? God. I'm trying to look for a good scene, but generally I'm not a pro like that. Let's try to get the floor 15 plus. But it goes like this: pinky up, pinky up. I love Gatsay. Who loves Gatsays? I love Katsui. I love Katsui. I really love Katsui. It's a state of mind. No one can touch us if they try. Oh, why am I in the body's lock right now? Why am I in the body's lock? Well, I guess I'll call that an end because we can't really find a good run. And make sure to stay tuned and like and subscribe so you can get day 2 of me trying to grind for Astro. But maybe tomorrow actually gonna get luck. Maybe tomorrow luck is actually gonna be on my side and give me a good team. So yeah, that's all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.